Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today's video we're going to try out Too Faced Pumpkin Spice eyeshadow palette. Since it's turning fall, everything is pumpkin spice. Even the drinks, the food, even now the eyeshadow palette. Normally Too Faced eyeshadow is always good, but it's not to the level. It's like extremely good, extremely buttery, blendable. You have to have it. Let's see if the quality increased and everything is better or not, or stay the same. So the packaging, I mean, you can't beat this. This is as cute as it can get, right? Oh, it smells like pumpkin latte. We all know how that smells. And look at that color. Some of these colors is definitely very interesting, especially the bottom row, especially this color. This is a very unique shade. I wonder how this looks on my eyes. Today we're definitely going to try this color for sure. And all this row I'm very interested in. These two rows, they're good, but I feel like other eyeshadow palette have these kind of colors, so I'm not super excited to try these, but definitely the bottom row is the goal, especially this color. And even this matte color is kind of unique. Okay, let's do a little swatch to see how it feels on the fingertips. From the touch, I don't get the creamy, a little bit like gel-like consistency. That's not how it feels. It feels like a regular eyeshadow. See the pigmentation. It looks better in the pan, right? And the next to it is this color. From the touch, I feel like you're touching sandpaper. It's not that creamy, buttery feeling. It just very hard to the touch. Oh, the matte shade is creamy. That's the matte shade. This shade, really creamy. Okay, I'm swatching the whole bottom row. Yeah, the shimmer shades feels like paper. Okay, these two shades are kind of similar, the shimmer, right? The most recent eyeshadow palette I have tried in my video is the Charlotte Tilbury Bejeweled Eye to Hypnosis. So I'm comparing this one to the Charlotte Tilbury. Even though this is so much more expensive than the Pumpkin Spice, that one is $75. That's very expensive, and this one is $49. Definitely is a huge difference price-wise. The feeling to the touch, I feel like Charlotte Tilbury definitely. Oh, this one is a nice color. Okay, I'm going to mainly use the bottom row for this video, so we'll just try this. First, I'm going to dip my brush in this. Yeah, it's quite a bit of fallout, but that's okay. It looks a lot of darker on the eyes than in the pan. Right? I thought it would be like kind of nude-ish. This is darker than nude. I feel like I'm drinking pumpkin spice latte because it smells exactly like that. Everything in here screams fall. For each side of my eyes, I'm going to use a different one. For my right, I'm going to use this. I love a good purple. I know purple eyeshadow can be really hard to make. When you see a really good one, stick to it. It's really hard to find. The color is very vivid. Oh my god. I can't believe I didn't press the button when I did this eye. I thought I did, but I didn't. Oh my god. That's a huge mistake. Okay, let me catch you up. So I've been using this color for the outer corner and this color for the inner corner for the shimmer shades. And I must say, this color is so nice. It's called Spice Baby, and this is the perfect fall color, and also the blendability of that color is so good that I feel like I'm a makeup artist. Like I can just blend it like a professional. Much more than this, because this is so dark, so it's harder to blend, but this one blends so easily, as you can see. So I prefer this side of the makeup much better than this side. Plus, I did the mascara and I made a mistake of the wrong combination. I still used Lancôme booster as a base for both of my eyes, and then I add Honest Beauty mascara. But that's a mistake. As you can see, it did nothing volume for my lash. It makes my lash look, I have like maybe 4 or 5 lashes, and this is a wrong combination. I remember use this on its own, it's so much better. If you want to use this mascara, use it alone. Don't use any base or anything, just make it like all clumped together. I tried to save it, use the Tarte Surfer Curl, and didn't really save it. But these two are good combination. I don't know why I tried the Honest Beauty one on top of the booster, but these two are a good combination. Tarte C Surfer Curl and then the Lancôme booster. These two are good combination. So yeah, I kind of messed up. I don't like my mascara today, but I do like this eye look. Looks really nice. I was really shocked by the blendability of this eyeshadow palette. I don't remember it's so blendable. But this is really easy to blend. Even though it's hard from the touch, it's not like soft or buttery touch, but when you blend this away, this just blends so nicely. And the shimmer shades, it's really blinding, as you can see. I think this is not expensive. Compared to the Charlotte Tilbury, this is cheap. This is only $49, that one is $78. If you don't have the money for the Charlotte Tilbury, definitely try this one. And plus you get a really good pumpkin latte smell when you're using this palette, and how cute this is, right? I would say if you have the budget, I would say the Charlotte Tilbury. But if you don't have the budget, definitely give this a try. You won't be disappointed at all, but it's just a tiny bit not as good as that one. I can get a lot of use on that one, but for this eyeshadow palette, I feel like there's still a lot of shades I won't be using. If you have the money, definitely pick out the Charlotte Tilbury. If you don't have the budget, try this one. You won't be disappointed. Okay, yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!